Qadir Vac vacuum excavator is a compact, self-propelled machine designed for safe, non-aggressive and non-invasive excavation around buried utilities and non-removable obstructions. Traditional mechanical methods of excavation can cause catastrophic and very costly damage to buried utilities such as water, gas, electricity and fibre optic data cables. Hand excavation is slow and inefficient and still exposes the utilities to potential damage. Vacuum excavation is a proven and safe method, and now the Vac from Vac-Ex brings a truly mobile and cost-effective excavation system to the construction workplace. The Vac is mounted on a motorised four-wheel drive chassis, which is highly manoeuvrable, making it easy to deploy on busy or confined sites. It only requires 2 people to operate, and its compact size and low weight means that it is easy to transport to site on a small trailer towed by an ordinary car. Once on site, simply connect the compressor hoses and the air exlands to the Vac, making sure that all whip checks are engaged. The Vac is powered by a standard 2-tool compressor commonly found on any site. This reduces the need for costly mechanical maintenance of the Vac, as there are fewer parts to wear or fail. Connect both the air hoses and start up the compressor. Turn on the Vac and excavation can begin immediately. The Vac system uses the high-pressure air exlands to agitate and break up the ground, while the flexible digging pipe uses a powerful vacuum to remove the debris. The Vac can quickly excavate even the most compacted ground without the risk of damage to underlying surfaces. The excavated material is vacuumed into the onboard debris pod, from which it can be conveniently emptied into a wheelbarrow. Because the Vac is easy to situate next to the area to be excavated, its flexible vacuum hose is shorter and lower than larger vehicle or trailer mounted models. A shorter and lower hose means that potential blockages are greatly reduced, saving both time and money. The Vac can very easily excavate down to a depth of 3 metres. This is achieved by adding on a number of pipe extensions, making it easier on the operator as the excavation deepens. Once the excavation is complete, the utilities can be inspected, recorded or maintained as necessary. To empty the Vac's debris pod, simply raise it from the chassis using the worm winch and position a bulk bag, skip or wheelbarrow underneath the pod. Pull the release handle and the debris will be deposited into your chosen container with a minimum of spill and can be easily removed for disposal. Alternatively, simply guide the Vac over the excavation and directly refill the hole. By utilising the small debris pod, the operator is able to be more selective of the materials being excavated. This prevents cross-contamination, enabling the materials to be dropped next to the site and recycled back into the excavation. The Vac has the power to tackle a variety of excavation materials, from water and mud to soil, clay, gravel, sand and ballast. Through its non-invasive operation, the Vac will quickly reveal undersurface utilities without the risk of damage. Because the Vac operates on externally generated compressed air, it is much quieter in operation than traditional vacuum excavators that are driven by an internal power source. In noise-sensitive environments, the site compressor could be positioned up to 100 metres from the Vac with minimal loss of performance. The Vac itself operates at less than 66 decibels, which is more comfortable for the user and the local environment. The Vac's four-wheel drive system is powered by a reliable Honda engine. The Air Vac can negotiate uneven terrain and inclines of up to 25 degrees. The Air Vac features an onboard inclinometer and front and rear flashing lights to aid safe operation. The Air Vac is currently available with different chassis types to suit the customer's requirements and different environments. The Air Vac-E has an electric-powered chassis which reduces both noise and emissions in the environment, as well as being suited for petrochemical use. The Air Vac-S is a static unit with a slide-out tipping frame, enabling it to suit various vehicle platforms.